Hello friends, hope everyone's doing okay out there. Today I'm checking out this WHALL air fryer. It's a 6-quart digital LED touchscreen dishwasher-safe basket. Pretty nice. So we got our instruction manual here. Pretty extensive air frying recipe book with all the directions in there. That's and then we have the what a nice looking piece here, actually. That. So it's gonna match our kitchen nicely. Kind of got the black and like stainless steel look there. What a good looking air fryer there, my friends. Looks pretty futuristic, actually. Nice and compact though. That looks pretty sweet. So we have these little tape things here. We're gonna actually be cooking some food in here and showing you guys that. So here we go. Let me just get this cord off of here, if I can. Now that I taped it up here, give me just a second. We'll get this off here without straw. Ah, there we go. We got the plug all freed up there. Look at this. Let's see how to remove this. That comes out of there nice. So got this little piece in here too. That is cool. Put a little thing down there, so it helps, I believe this helps circulate the air a little bit better, and also has little handles in there so it's easy to grab out. Little silicone feet on there as well, so that just fits right down in there, just like that. Good size air basket here. I like that. Handle is nice and sturdy, doesn't feel wobbly or anything like that. I like the features here. Nice looking stainless steel on the outside. And check out the front here. We got all the little buttons here. It says it's open. It's got air fry, bake, keep warm, reheat, temp, sound, DIY, cancel time, on, off. Then we got some preset ones up here. Fries, bread, vegetable, steak, drumstick, fish, shrimp, and thaw. I like how this is inside. You can see it's all nice and like the stainless steel in there. So should be super easy to clean and wipe that out and keep it nice and good there. Okay, that fits in perfectly, and then you see it just comes up with this. I'm actually just going to wash this out real quick, and we're going to fry up some food, tell you what we think about it. So let's go do that. Okay, friends, so just going to do a quick pizza roll and try it out in air fryer. We're going to go sauce, cheese, pepperoni, olives, and topping cheese. Put it in the air fryer. And where's the pizza button? Is there pizza? Hit the bread button. And start. Look at that, my friends. Golden brown on top. Crispy crust. Looks perfect. Here we go. Trying some egg rolls. All right, I'm gonna use a shrimp button and start. 10 minutes, frozen egg rolls. I just beeped. We'll pop it out. Might need to flip these over. These are frozen, so let's see how they are. And there's our egg rolls, nice and crispy and done. Okay, finally we're gonna try some chicken wings here. Put those in. Okay, we're gonna hit the drumstick button and start. And we'll see you in 20 minutes. All right, the wings are done. Just pop it out. And look at those guys. And nice and evenly cooked there. And you can turn them over halfway if you want to. It just depends on how well you want them done. Crispy or a little bit softer. All in all, really impressed with this. Super easy to use. The canister, as you can see, it's really easy to wipe out and clean as well. Pretty much everything about this just looks professional and well done. Seems really durable. Buttons and the touch screen is really easy to use. The adjustment and everything is really nice on that as well. Works nice, quickly, like the stainless steel here. It's not difficult to clean, and it has the container is actually quite large compared to like some other air fryers we use instead of the round ones. This one's a nice square size. It's got a pretty good. It'll hold quite a bit in there. So anyways, I'm really impressed with this. I'm going to eat my chicken, and thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you all next time.